Hello HVC friends. I want to bring you along here on something going on. This compressor is tripping a breaker, and I have a feeling that the compressor is burnt up or probably grounded. That's my guess. Don't know that for sure, but that's what I'm suspecting here. And we're just gonna see. Look at this fan out. I replaced this capacitor last year, and I remember mentioning to the customer to get it cleaned up, because I thought something he might want to do himself, so I didn't really offer it. Well, I probably offered it as a service, but I thought he might want to do it himself. And as you can see, it's pretty dirty. Especially here on this side. It's very dirty. Also, looks like we might have oil. Look at that. There might be oil leak there too. I didn't check the pressure. I have to get a step ladder to get up in there. Let's see. There we go. Ay, ay, ay. Let's see. I know some people don't like these things, but I do. It's just a good visual for the customer. Ooh, I'm gonna get on high ground here. Alright. Get the light off. Well, maybe I have a dead battery in this. Let's see. Oh, please don't be dead. There we go. There we go. Bad. That's exactly what I thought. Yeah, exactly what I was afraid of. Yep. Ay, ay, ay. And again, I'd almost bet we have refrigerant leak here as well, and it probably just ran out of refrigerant and died. Burn up. Let me go tell the customer.